In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop your photo. In the presidential campaign poster examples that you looked at, you may have noticed that the portraits included on those posters were outlined in a different shape, such as a circle or an oval. So today I'm going to show you how to make that happen in Google Drawings. The first thing you want to do is select your photo, and you can just do that by clicking on it. You know it will be selected by the blue box that shows up around it. And now I'm going to go up here to the crop image icon. Select that, and now a black or gray outline is going to happen around your photo. You're going to keep this on, slide your mouse over to mask image, hit that down arrow, go to shapes, and then you're going to select a shape that works for your poster. A good idea is to keep a shape where it has all four edges to it. So the rectangle would be good, this rounded rectangle, and so would the oval. But a triangle wouldn't really work very well, and neither would this weird pie shape. So you want to keep to either this rectangle, the rounded rectangle, or the circle. So I'm going to select the oval here. Alright, so now that I've selected the oval, I have a few options. I can expand my image, and then I can drag my image around that circle, because what's ever included here is what's going to stay. And I can make that circle everything included. You can also use your up, down, and side arrows on your keyboard to make this happen as well. Alright, so once I'm happy with where it is placed, I want to make sure that I'm seeing my entire head in there. That looks like a good spot. I'm going to hit Enter on my keyboard, and now as you can see, it cropped to an entire circle. Go ahead and click in this gray space to move away from it. You can now position your cropped image wherever you want it to be on your poster. And then always make sure that you are screenshotting, so Shift Command 4 with your workspace. Do it for your entire workspace in order to turn in for class today.